So it comes with this little pamphlet so that you can scan if you want to join the Facebook group. Okay, and just a little bit more information about them, how you can contact them, all of their socials. Okay, there's also a QR code for you to scan for you to watch the tutorial if you would like to do that. Okay. This bag is this beautiful blue leather. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so this is a leather bag, so there is no lining. So there's leather on both sides, and the inside color looks kind of like a gray. Let's get a little close up. And all of their kits use top grain cowhide leather and full grain cowhide leather. It's so pretty. It feels so good. It's super soft. Beautiful. Okay. And again, all of this is going to be hand sewn. So if you watch a lot of leather videos like I do, you know that that's part of the process when you have to kind of use a hammer to make the holes. Well, they do all that for you. They do all the hard work. Look how pretty that zipper is. Y'all know that I love gold. That's my thing. This is so pretty. The pinholes, they are extremely precise, so you won't have any problem with that. This hardware is so pretty. Y'all know that I love gold. I've been contemplating if I should start carrying metal hardware instead of just nylon as for zippers, and I think this has just convinced me I need to have metal zippers on my website. Thank you for convincing me, Babylon. That is just gorgeous. All right. So we've got our pretty much a zipper. Here's another piece. This looks like this is going to be maybe the side gussets. Perhaps the bottom. Yeah, because it looks like it's got holes for the feet. And this is going to be a pocket. Oh my gosh, this leather feels so good, y'all. It's so soft. I'm so excited. Okay, now let's look at the hardware. Okay, so they send the needles that you need, a little screwdriver. Yep, here are the feet. Or maybe these aren't the feet. Let me stop talking too much. I think these might be the feet. Got the little finger nipples. I think these might be the feet. I have similar ones on my website. Whoops. Yeah, I think these are the feet. Very pretty. It comes with the thread. Oh, it comes with, why can't I think of the name of this? Little clippers. Beautiful. This thread feels like it may be a little bit waxed. Super thick to give you that nice top stitch. Oh, I think this is the handles. Everything has already been prepped. The handles have been sewn together. They've edge coated it. Looks really good. Very nice. Beautiful. And let's check out this handle. Like I said, this kit includes everything. The leather is pre-cut. It's got the hardware. It's got your strap, your needle, your thread, the tool, everything you need to make a leather bag. You don't need to buy anything else when you purchase one of these kits. It's ready to go. Oh, look how pretty this handle is, y'all. This is dope. Very pretty. Beautiful. You know I love gold. This is gorgeous. Again, this is the zip top tote bag. Okay? They ship worldwide. It's usually going to be free shipping, and it's generally delivered in 6 to 12 days. Don't forget that they are offering 20% off if you use my code. I believe it's Lola20. I'll find it and put it under this video. I'll be starting this this kit this month, and I'll have the tutorial up in November. So if you would like to make this bag with me, please go and grab it and get ready so we can make this together. If not, you can grab any kit that you like. You still can use the discount on it for 20% off. So yeah, I'm super excited, y'all. Go grab your kit and meet me so we can make this bag together. This is nice. I'm excited. All right, let me go. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.